Start by inserting the front edge of the Soffit panel into the back of the fascia panel. Once it's in position, clip the Soffit panel, then fold down the panel tab. There are a few different techniques to clip the Soffit panel, so use the one that is most suitable. Folding pliers. Push the panel firmly up to the housing. Make sure the pliers are pushed hard into the back of the panel's rib, clamped together. Roll the panel in. Push the panel firmly up to the housing. Pull the back of the panel down slightly and then push the panel up hard to engage. Tap the panel in. Push the panel firmly up to the housing. Using the side of your hand, give the panel a firm tap. Note, using excessive force can damage the panel using this technique. It will take some practice to get it right. If design win loads are specified, screw the panel to the bracket at each connection. Use an 8G wafer head self-drilling screw as such. Otherwise, skip this step and crimp the panel tags. Once you have one side of a complete miter installed, measure and cut the miter trim and push the trim onto the panels. To receive the opposing panel's miters, screw fix another trim onto the back of the previous trim using the 8G wafer head self-drilling screws.
Well, that concludes our installation process. Thanks for joining us, and for more information you can visit our website ribon.co.nz.